Page number 58. Question number 6. Authorized capital of Mewada Limited of Himmatnagar was divided into 4 lakh equity share of 10 each. Out of this, company issued 3 lakh equity shares. ऑथोराइज कैपिटल यानी परमिशन कितना है हमारे पास टोटल 4 लाख का, उसमें से कितना इश्यू करना है? ओनली 3 lakhs. Amount called up per share was as under: 4 on application, 3 on allotment, and 3 on final call. Company received application for 3,60,000 shares. Excess applications were rejected, and money paid thereon was refunded to applicants. All the sums due on allotment and final call were received in full, except final call on 2,000 equity shares held by Asha. Now Asha ने 2,000 equity share पे क्या पे नहीं किया? Final call पे किया नहीं. Past journal entries in the books of the company to record about transactions. Okay. Now also prepare equity share capital and all, you'll do it as homework. Now journal entry format बना लो. सबसे पहले working कर ले, ready है ना with the format? Yes. Okay. Page number 58. Question number 6. सबसे पहले we'll do the working. Application. Face value. ₹4. Allotment ₹3. Final call ₹3. Total ₹10. 10 is our face value. Face value is the basic value of the share. Now application 3,60,000 shares. Issued, कितना issue कर सकते हैं? Maximum we can give how many shares? 3 lakh shares. So 60,000 shares का refund. First entry. Now सबसे पहले we want to give 3 lakh shares to common public. So we will give advertisements and people will apply. At the time of application, they have to give a form duly filled up along with a check of ₹4 per share. So सबसे पहले business में, company में क्या आ रहा है? Money. So bank account debit. How many shares? 3,60,000 shares का application आया. At what rate? 4 per share. 14,40,000. 2. Now, at this stage, लोगों ने अप्लाई किया, पर अभी तक वो कंफर्म मेरे शेयर होल्डर्स हुए नहीं है. So I'll create a temporary account known as to equity share application account. Credit 14,40,000. Narration is very simple. Being received of share application money on 3,60,000 shares at ₹4 per share. Next. अब ध्यान दो, नरेशन नहीं लिखने की जरूरत, होमवर्क में लिखना. अब ध्यान दो, अब ये एप्लीकेशन आ गए, एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म्स आ गए मेरे पास, पैसा आ गया बैंक अकाउंट में. अब 60,000 एक्सेस है, उसको मैं रिजेक्ट कर दूंगा और उनको पैसा वापस कर दूंगा. और बाकी 3 लाख शेयर्स के लिए मेरे शेयर होल्डर्स आर नाउ डिसाइडेड. तो अब मैं क्या करूंगा? इस टेम्पररी अकाउंट को मैं क्लोज कर दूंगा. इक्विटी शेयर application account debit 14,40,000. 2. अब मेरा कैपिटल बनेगा बिकॉज अब मेरे शेयर होल्डर्स डिसाइड हो गए. सो 2 इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट. कैपिटल कितने शेयर्स पे बनेगा? 3 लाख. ध्यान दो प्लीज फॉर अ मोमेंट. 3 lakh share into 4 per share. Now always remember, capital will always be with the face value amount. Understood this? Then 12 lakhs and 2 बैंक अकाउंट, बाकी पैसा रिफंड कर देंगे, तो मनी गोज आउट 60,000 shares at ₹4 per share, 2,40,000. अब एप्लीकेशन खत्म हो गया. Now we come to allotment. Now at this stage मेरे शेयर होल्डर्स डिसाइड हो गए कि ये 3 लाख शेयर्स के होल्डर्स कौन है. अब मैं उनको लेटर भेजूंगा और उनसे बाकी का अलॉटमेंट का पैसा मंगाऊंगा. So I will make the allotment money call. So equity share, I'll create a temporary account, allotment account debit. How many shares? 3 lakh shares into ₹3 per share, 9 lakhs. 2. Equity share capital, 3 lakh into 3, 9 lakh. Always capital with the face value. Because now my shareholders are decided, so when I am making the call, at that time I am crediting my capital. Understood this? Now, 4, they give us the money. So money comes in, bank is the receiver, bank account debit. Amount is 9 lakh. 2, equity share allotment account. Pura 3 lakh shares. Where we got ₹3. Now in this sum, we also have a person who did not pay the final call. So in our working itself, we'll write the name Asha, and over here, ध्यान दो, final call के सामने I'll write 2,000 shares. I'll put a cross. It shows that the money is not received by the company. Understood this? तो हमें काम आएगा ये कि जब हम फाइनल कॉल में आएगा तो हमें पता चलेगा 2,000 शेयर्स पे पैसा मिला नहीं. Fifth, we make the call. So equity share, final call account debit, 3 lakh shares into ₹3 per share, again 9 lakh. 2, equity share capital account, six. Now 3 lakh shares के लिए I asked for money, but what happened? For 2,000 shares, for 3 lakh shares, I called the final call. But out of those 3 lakh shares, a holder of 2,000 shares did not give us the money. Now, bank account debit. I received money for how many shares now? How many shares? 2,98,000 shares. Understood this? All of you. 3 lakh शेयर्स के लिए पैसा मंगाया, पर पैसा मिला सिर्फ 2,98,000 शेयर्स का, into ₹3, 8,94,000. 2, equity share, final call account, 8,94,000. Or there are 2 ways we can pass the entry. One entry is this. We will be following this entry. Okay, but there is another alternative method. Now, पहले ये method में समझा देता हूँ. Here we have equity share final call account debit 9 lakh. Credit how much? 8,94,000. So can I say, if I prepare a trial balance over here, can I say I have a balance of 6,000 in equity share final call? यानी ट्रायल बैलेंस में दिखेगा कि 6,000 रुपीस मुझे किसी शेयर होल्डर से मिलना बाकी है. Understood this? This is one way of doing it. So there will be a balance. If you see allotment, debit हुआ, credit हुआ, close हो गया. पर यहाँ पे debit 9 lakh and credit 8,94,000. So we still have a balance of 6,000, which will come on the debit side, asset side. Understood this now? Now, is another way of doing it is bank account debit 8,94,000. Will create a new account known as calls in arrears. Arrears यानी क्या? Arrears यानी outstanding. ये जो calls in arrears account है उसमें हम लिखेंगे. Here we'll write 2,98,000 into 3. Your calls in arrears how many shares? 2,000 shares into 3, which is debit 6,000. And 2 equity share final call. How much? 9 lakhs. Now what's the difference? Difference is only different way of treating it. यहाँ पे if you go for this entry and this fifth and the second one, what will happen? Debit 9 lakh, credit 9 lakh, but you still have calls in arrears. Understood this? It has a debit balance. समझ में आ गया? Okay? We will not go for this. We'll go for this. Understood? In the textbook, both the methods are given. We'll see this. लिख लो. Page number 14 पे आ जाओ. यहाँ पे can you see without opening calls in arrears and by opening calls in arrears? Can you see the second entry? Can you see the second entry? एक में 98 है और 98 है, दूसरे में 98, 2 और 1 लाख. पता चल गया. अब जब पैसा मिला तो थर्ड एंट्री आएगा बैंक टू शेयर फर्स्ट कॉल, और अगर कॉल्स इन एरियर्स है तो बैंक टू कॉल्स इन एरियर्स. Understood this? So we can follow any method, but we'll go for the first one. तो अगर टेक्स्ट बुक के इलस्ट्रेशन कर रहे हो, अगर तुमने कॉल्स इन एरियर्स देखा तो घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है. We will go for the sixth one, first one. Got it? Point note 1 को मार्क करो. Note 1 को मार्क करो. ये कॉल्स इन एरियर अकाउंट कहाँ दिखाएंगे? As a deduction from amount of subscribed but not fully paid up under subscribed share capital. ये important है. And third, कि अगर calls in arrears है, मान लो ये आशा forgot to pay the money. Maybe she did not receive the letter, or maybe she did not have the money. Now, company gives you option, yes, you can pay the money, but now when you want to pay the money after the due date, you will have to give interest. So rate of interest important for multiple choice question. The rate of interest is 10% per annum. Understood this? Page number 58. Question number 7. P Sugar Limited of Nagpur issued 12 lakh equity shares in the public of rupees 10 each. Company received application for 13 lakh 50,000 shares. Shares were allotted at a meeting of board of directors. Excess share applications were rejected and amount thereon received thereon was refunded. Amount called up against share was as under. Application allotment, first call and final call. Now, Aishwarya, who was allotted 960 shares, could not pay first call and final call money, where Vinay, who was allotted 1200 share, could not pay final call money. Except this, all sums due from other shareholders were received. Aishwarya and Vinay had paid their arrears amount to company other afterwards. Okay, afterwards. इसको underline कर लो. Don't forget this. Past necessary journal entries. Okay, no effect of interest to be given. Let's do the working. Application 2.50. Allotment 2.50. First call 2. and final call. 3. Total is 10. Application 13,50,000. How much we can allot? 12 lakhs. 1,50,000. Refund. ऐश्वर्या क्या पे नहीं किया उसने? First and final call for 960 shares. No first call, no final call. And winner. Final call 1,200 shares. What comes in? Money, not cash. Bank. Bank account debit. 13,50,000 shares into 2.50. 33,75,000 to equity share application account. Second, अब क्या करेंगे? एप्लीकेशन को शॉर्ट करेंगे और 1,50,000 को रिफंड कर देंगे. सो इक्विटी शेयर एप्लीकेशन अकाउंट डेबिट 33,75,000 to equity share capital account. कैपिटल कितने से बनेगा? 12 to 2.50 and 2 bank account 1,50,000 shares into 2.50 3,75,000. Let's go to the third entry. Allotment. Equity share. Allotment account debit. How many shares now? 12 lakh into 2.5. 30 lakhs. Okay. 2. Equity share capital account. Fourth, bank account. All amount received. So 12 lakhs. Shares paid. We received rupees 2.50. 30 lakhs. To equity share allotment account. Fifth, we will call the first call equity share. First call account debit to equity share capital account 12 lakh shares into 2 24 lakhs. Sixth, bank account debit. How many shares paid? We received money now 12 lakh minus 960, so 11 lakh 99,040 into rupees 2 per share. How much? 23 lakh 98,080. 2. Equity share. First call account. 7. समझ में आ गया सबको? We may also use calls in areas. Okay. 7. We make the final call. Equity share. Final call account debit. 12 lakh shares into rupees 3. 36 lakhs. To equity share capital account 36 lakh. 8. Bank account debit. Now ध्यान दो बोर्ड पे. अब टोटल ये 1200 शेयर्स प्लस 960 शेयर्स पे 3 rupees मिला नहीं. Understood this? So 12 lakh minus 1200 minus 960. 11 lakh 97,840 shares into rupees 3, which comes to 35 lakh 93,520. 2. Equity share final call account 35 lakh 93,520. नहीं. अच्छा, क्या ये 1,920 शेयर्स है कि ये 960 ही है? यही 960 पे 2 नहीं मिला और यही 960 पे 3 मिला नहीं. ये तो we write like this, okay? It is not total number of shares. Over here 960 पे I did not get the first call. Over here 960, यही 960 पे I did not get the final call, and 1200 पे I did not get the final call. You understood this? Okay. Now we received this money, so bank account debit. 2. Equity share. इसका डेबिट बैलेंस था पहले फर्स्ट कॉल का. डेबिट 24 लाख एंड क्रेडिट 23,98,080. तो इसका डिफरेंस जो है वो अब हमें मिल गया. टू इक्विटी शेयर फर्स्ट कॉल अकाउंट, हाउ मच फर्स्ट कॉल 960 into rupees 2, which is 1920. To equity share final call account 2160 shares into rupees 3. पता चल रहा है सबको? 2160 shares कैसे आया? 1200 plus 960. So 2160 into 3. So 6,480. And bank account debit how much? 8,400. Understood this now? अगर calls and arrears use किया होता यहाँ पे तो bank account debit to calls and arrears account credit. Understood this? Go through it. Page number 58. Question number 8. Now ये जो question है इसमें calls in advance है. Now what is calls in arrears? पैसा मंगाया पर पैसा दिया नहीं. अब कुछ शेयर होल्डर्स ऐसे हैं कि जिन्होंने एक साथ ही पूरा पैसा भर दिया. मैंने मंगाया नहीं है, I have not asked for it, but they have paid in advance. Okay. Now Chaudhary Agro Company of Viara issued 5 lakh equity share of 10 each to public. Company called 3 per share on application, 4 per share on allotment, and 3 per share on first and final call. Company received applications for 5,75,000 equity share from public. Excess applications were rejected and money paid on them was refunded. Viral, who had applied for 2,000 shares, had paid full amount of rupees 10 per share along with application. You understood this? Company had allotted him all the shares applied for. Yagnesh, who was allotted 2,500 share, had paid amount due on first and final call along with share allotment money. Except this, amount due on allotment and call were duly received from time to time. Pass necessary journal entries. Now, इसका वर्किंग करेंगे. ये थोड़ा ट्रिकी कंसेप्ट है, कॉल्स इन एडवांस, तो तुम ध्यान देना, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. ओके. क्वेश्चन 8, पेज नंबर 58. एप्लीकेशन ₹3, allotment ₹4, and first and final call ₹3, total 10, face value. Application 5,75,000. How much I want to issue? 75,000 shares. Received in advance. Viral. For how many shares? 2,000 shares. For 2,000 shares, he paid application for these 2,000 shares. These same 2,000 shares, he paid allotment, and 2,000 shares, he paid the first and final call. You understood this? इसका मतलब क्या है कि जब मैं allotment मंगाऊंगा, तो allotment का जब पैसा आएगा, तब ये 2,000 shares पे पैसा आएगा नहीं, क्योंकि already उसने पैसा दे दिया. Understood this? Okay, we'll see how we do the entries. Then Yagnesh, who was allotted 2,500 share, had paid amount due on first and final call along with share allotment money. यानी allotment के साथ this person Yagnesh paid for how many shares? 2,500 shares. So can I say at the stage of allotment, this person Yagnesh paid in advance first and final call, but pay कब किया? At the time of allotment. Is this clear? Okay. Bank account debit 5,75,000 shares जो है 8 to 3, which is equal to 17,25,000 plus 2,000 shares pay. I received how much extra? 7 rupees. 14,000. 17,39,000. See, एप्लीकेशन के टाइम पे ही 5,75,000 शेयर्स इंटू 3 तो मिलना ही चाहिए मुझे, पर ये शेयर होल्डर ने कितना इंस्टेड ऑफ 3 पे किया? पूरा ₹10. So this shareholder paid 7 extra, which has come into our bank account. So it is 2,000 into 7, 14,000. Understood this now? Okay. Now 2, equity share application account 17,39,000. Second, equity share application account debit 17,39,000. ध्यान दो, बोर्ड पे ध्यान दो. नाउ ये टोटल जितना क्रेडिट हुआ उसको डेबिट कर दिया. नाउ 2, सबसे पहले लेट्स मेक अवर कैपिटल. इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट 5 lakh into 3. 5 lakh into 3, 15 lakhs. 2, bank account. Reject 75,000 into 3, 2,25,000. 2, ध्यान दो, क्या एडवांस में मिल गया? अलॉटमेंट. So 2 equity share allotment account. How much? 2000 into rupees 4, which is 8000, and 2 calls in advance 2000 into 3, which is equal to 6000. Anything you receive in advance, it's your liability. That's why we have to credit. Understood this? Now you may have a question कि sir calls in advance तो ये allotment क्यों अलग से दिखाया? दोनों क्यों calls in advance नहीं? Because allotment is not considered as a call. Okay, allotment is a part of the process where share application, and immediately you call for allotment. So allotment is the money received to allot the shares. That is why इसको अलग रखते हैं. And जितने भी calls है, first call, second call, third call, final call, that will go in calls in advance. So allotment को हम बोलने के लिए बोलते हैं allotment call किया, but allotment is not a call. Okay, that's why we make the allotment call. So third, equity share allotment account debit. How many shares? 5 lakh into rupees 4, 20 lakhs. 2 equity share capital, 20 lakhs. Fourth, bank account debit. Now what we are receiving? ध्यान दो. अब ये 5 लाख में से 2000 शेयर्स का तो पैसा मिल गया था हमें, बराबर है? एनी डाउट इन दिस? ओके, तो सबसे पहले हम ये लिख लेते हैं 5 लाख. सो 4,98,000 शेयर्स into rupees 4 per share. 4,98,000 share into 4. How much? 19 lakh 92,000. अब ध्यान दे. Now ये 4,98,000 तो हो गया, but Yagnesh, for these 2,500 shares, he paid rupees 3 in advance. So 2,500 shares into rupees 3, which is 7,500. So bank account debit is 19,99,500. 2 equity share allotment account 4,98,000 into 4, 19,92,000. 2 calls in advance 2,500 share into 3, so 7,500. ये पता चल गया सबको? Now ध्यान दो, we reconcile. Allotment debit 20 lakh, credit 19,92,000, and over here credit 8,000. टैली हो गया, क्लोज हो गया allotment account. पहले 8,000 मिल गया था, ओके, फिर कितना मिला? 19,92,000. So total कितना पैसा मिल गया हमें? 20 lakhs. Is this clear? Now fifth, we make the first and final call. Equity share first and final call account debit. 5 lakh shares into rupees 3, 15 lakhs. 2 equity share capital account. बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट. ध्यान देना, अब ये 5 लाख शेयर्स में से 2,500 शेयर प्लस 2,000 शेयर्स का पैसा ऑलरेडी मिल गया हमें. सो 5 लाख माइनस 4,500 which is 4,95,500 shares. ये कैसा है पता चल गया? 2,500 shares plus 2,000 shares 4,500 पे तो ऑलरेडी कंपनी को पैसा मिल चुका था, तो फिर से मिलने वाला नहीं है। तो अब कितने शेयर्स का पैसा मिलेगा? 4,95,500 into ₹3, so 14,86,500। ध्यान दो। अब ये डेबिट कर दिया, अब मेरे पास कौन से एडवांस का क्रेडिट बैलेंस है? अब मैं इसको एडजस्ट कर दूंगा, बिकॉज अब मैंने ऑलरेडी ये पैसा सब शेयर होल्डर से मंगा लिया, तो नाउ आई डोंट नीड कॉल्स इन एडवांस, दिस एडवांस हैज ऑलरेडी बिकम ड्यू, सो 2 calls in advance over here 6,000 and 2 calls in advance over here 7,500, उसको कर देंगे डेबिट। calls in advance account, कितना calls in advance था? 2,000 shares पे ₹3 and 2,500 shares पे ₹3, which is equal to 6,000 and 7,500. Vinay and Yagnesh understood this, तो ये डेबिट हो जाएगा 13,500 to equity share first and final call account 15 lakhs. At this time, when I'm calling the money, I'll call with my total shareholders, okay? Because advance तूने भले दे दिया, पर वो advance है, तो I'll send you a letter कि आपको पैसा due हो रहा है. Understood this? Again, at this time I'm creating a capital. तो मेरा capital 5 lakh से बनना चाहिए ना, into 3, 15 lakh. That is why. So always at allotment भी हमने पूरा लिया 5 lakh. But जब पैसा मिल रहा है, तो यहाँ पे कम पैसा मिल रहा है, यहाँ पे भी कम पैसा मिल रहा है। ये स्टेज पे किसी ने एडवांस दिया तो उतना हमने अलग से लिखा है। कॉल्स इन एडवांस थोड़ा ट्रिकी कंसेप्ट है, तो प्लीज प्रैक्टिस करना।